In Malaysia, Nando's has a history of 18 years. Over that period of time, we had a humble beginning in '98, and today we have 74 casas. In Nando's, casa basically means restaurant in Portuguese. Today we have 1,005 employees nationwide, working in restaurants, working in the central office. A typical day is very interesting. A typical day for me is waking up, looking at Power BI to see how we performed yesterday, how we perform in the different categories that we sell. The insights that we get from looking at the data is amazing. As an ExCo member, pretty much we are always on the go. We are always out in the casas, interacting with employees in the casas to understand their needs, their challenges. We use our smartphones, our Surface to the max. Office 365 in the cloud provides the necessary software needed to run the business more efficiently. Working through Skype, whether it's through smartphone or through Surface, that has enhanced the collaboration in us working closer and better. Today, we have smartphone outpacing any other devices in terms of growth. Moving the company's strategy to adapt to the changing times was key. As the business grew, we had to use different tools, for example, Exchange. When moving to Exchange, it was an easy move, basically because the employees felt that they needed things like emails that were always in sync between the different devices. Looking at the spend, we decided that doing it on the cloud was the key in reducing the capex, basically because Exchange in the cloud provides subscription-based and it's a monthly cost, changing from a capex model to an opex model. The benefits that we compared between the on-premises and on the cloud was very vast difference. A key benefit moving to the cloud was that we moved our entire organization from POP3 to Exchange within 3 or 4 days. As we grow, we cannot work the same way we have worked in the past. We needed insights, we needed information to make critical and timely decisions. The point of sales systems that we use today are legacy point of sales, which basically mean that getting timely and real-time data is always 1 day late. Using Power BI and using Azure, we are able to pull data from the restaurants and displaying it in the cloud. Looking at sales information, how we have performed the current day, the current hour, how many employees are working, whether the casas are staffed correctly, or whether do they have enough stock items. And with that, it enables business managers, regional managers, or even ExCo to understand the business in real time. And these users are managers that will make decisions. They will be able to know what needs to be done to adapt to the situation. As such, technology plays a pivotal role to the success of the business and how it impacts the managers, how it impacts the people, the employees. At Nando's, it's not about the chicken, it's about the people who makes the chicken. We emphasize a lot on people because if we make our people happy, it results in happy customers.